Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Happy Monday. Today is Monday, April 12th. I hope you all had a fantastic weekend with some rest and some fun. I am out for a couple different appointments today. So today, instead of Zooms, we will have no Zooms and you will do all independent work. I will be back tomorrow and we'll resume our normal schedule then. We've got a couple things to cover that we would have talked about in morning meeting, and then you can feel free to get started on your independent lessons. First and foremost, most importantly, obviously, is the Great Space Race. As a reminder, we introduced this on Friday. We are in the Great Space Race with Dreambox against our rival Mrs. Bruin's class. Remember, we are starting at the sun and racing to Neptune. You guys will get a prize or a reward for every planet that you reach. Here's how it works. In order to travel through space, remember you will be doing Dreambox lessons. We have 21 total days and about 21 million kilometers that we need to travel each day in order to reach Neptune. So we decided to average that out, and we're going to be taking the average number of lessons completed per student per day and multiplying that by 10 million kilometers per lesson. Now let's take a peek at how we did over these last few days, you guys. As a total, our class completed 83 Dreambox lessons over the course of Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. 83, it's pretty good. In order to find how far we're going to go, we have to find the average number of lessons completed per student. Remember, there were 83 lessons, and we have 23 people in our class. So if we divide 83 by 23, that gives us 3.61 lessons per student. We get to travel 10 million kilometers for each of those lessons. So we turn that into a multiplication sentence. 3.61 lessons times 10 million kilometers gives us a total distance of 36,100,000 kilometers traveled. Now when we look at how this looks on our visual, that gives you a sense of how far we've got to go, right? Our class started right here. And if we look and find 36 million kilometers, that is right between these two lines. So we're going to move our spaceship from there to there. It's a start. But remember, guys, what we are shooting for is an average of 2 lessons per day per student. So make sure you keep it up if we want to stay competitive against our rival. All right, that was our most important update. And now let's quickly go over what your day looks like today. I just noticed that the screen says Friday, so ignore that. Replace that with Monday in your brain, and here's what it looks like. Today for math, we're going to keep looking at surface area. You will be doing word problems for that. You will be doing number corner set 2, problem 1 in your April packet. And remember to keep ticking away at those Dreambox lessons. Got to get those rewards. For word study, you're starting ER and EL, and you will be doing the building automaticity lesson as well as the pre-test for the week. Reader's Workshop, you have a reading about compound machines for science, and Read Aloud Part 4 of Fuzzy Mud. And finally, you've got Compound and Rube Goldberg Machines assignment for science. This is a super fun one, so make sure you take a peek at that. Your last items to check off for today are your check-in discussion, your Zoom attendance checklist, and remember those specialist assignments. Feel free to shoot me a message or an email if you have questions, but otherwise, cannot wait to see you all tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.